If I could describe Soly in 3 words: efficient, exceptional, and I'm over the moon. The reason I looked into solar panels was because everything was getting so expensive, and what with the cost of living, being an older person and on a pension, you have to be a bit careful. I went online and I put in solar panels and Soly came up. I asked somebody to ring me. A salesperson rang me called Grant, and he was with me all the way. I've got 2 fuse boards and it's quite a complicated system, and it had to be set up properly. He told me exactly what I needed and he explained why. Even though they don't come out, he didn't have to come out because he was telling me exactly where it was all going. He was showing me, he was talking to me about both fuse boxes, about the battery, about the inverter, about all sorts of things. And having one person that's dealing with it, not going through loads and loads of people, it was the ideal solution for me. The installation day, when they all turned up in the big van, they didn't need anything whatsoever. Alex was on the roof, Dave was doing all the electrics. They knew exactly where it was all going, and from start to finish, it was really, I was so surprised, you know. I mean, the boys were gone within a day and a half. They'd done and dusted and off they went. It started generating straight away. Grant rang me and he said, "How do you like your free electricity?" I was over the moon. I said, "Seriously?" So I've decided, I treated myself and I left my telly on standby. Since I've had the solar panels done, we have had a lot of rain. Even when it's cloudy, I've noticed on my app, things are happening, it's generating. So I really haven't got to worry. And every day I look and my battery's really well topped up. So I know that even if it's not brilliant sunshine, everything is working on the panels and I'm getting my electricity. I'm not going to the grid for much at all. I'm recommending Soly because everything's fitted nicely, everything's working. I can't be more pleased. There was no point in me looking for any other company because Soly did it all. Now I think I've said the lot. I just need a glass of wine now.